Welcome to our explainer video on HTML and CSS, the building blocks of the web. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your web development journey or just curious about how websites work, you've come to the right place.
Hi there, I'm your name, and today I'll guide you through the basics of HTML and CSS. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these technologies work together to create the websites we use every day.
First, let's talk about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard language used to create the structure of web pages.
Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It defines the basic layout and content, like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Let's look at an example. Here's a simple HTML document. The declaration tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. The tag wraps the entire content, and inside it we have the and sections. The head contains metadata like the page title, while the body contains the content you see on the page.
As you can see, HTML is all about structure, but it's not very stylish, is it? That's where CSS comes in. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is used to style and format the HTML content. It's like putting clothes on the skeleton of your web page.
Let's enhance our web page with some CSS. Here's how we can do that. Now we've added some style using the tag inside the section. We've customized the background color, fonts, text alignment, and even added hover effects to the link.
Looks much better, doesn't it? CSS allows you to control the presentation of your website, making it visually appealing and user-friendly.
HTML and CSS work hand in hand. HTML provides the structure and CSS adds the style. Let's take a closer look at how we can separate CSS into its own file. By linking an external CSS file, we've made our code cleaner and easier to maintain. This separation of concerns is a best practice in web development.
HTML and CSS form the foundation of every website you visit. From personal blogs to major platforms like Amazon and YouTube, these technologies are at the core.
Once you've mastered HTML and CSS, you can start exploring more advanced topics like JavaScript for interactivity, frameworks like React or Vue, and back-end technologies to build full-fledged web applications.
Ready to start your web development journey? Here are a few tips. Tip 1. Practice by building simple web pages like a personal portfolio or a hobby page. Tip 2. Use online resources like MDN Web Docs and FreeCodeCamp to learn and practice. Tip 3. Experiment with different styles and layouts to get comfortable with CSS.
And remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Start small, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every expert was once a beginner. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a solid introduction to HTML and CSS. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy coding!
Keep exploring, keep building, and we'll see you in the next video.